Hello guys, I am Dr. Tavish Pandit and today NMC has released a special order for all the FMG students regarding their internship program. So in this notice dated 21st September 2022, NMC has said all the students who are right now studying medicine abroad are supposed to complete their internship in that medical college itself outside the country, and after clearing the FMG examination they will do 1 year CRMI internship again in India. But this will be specifically for those students who fall into the category who are supposed to follow the 2021 Gazette. And here is the video you can watch for the details of 2021 Gazette. And those students who took admission before 2021, or rather November 18, 2021 into a foreign country for MBBS program, they are not supposed to follow this protocol. Hence those students will be regulated by the earlier norms that were dated, that can be found also in the notice, as you can see on the screen right now, that was dated 2nd September 2020. In this notice you can see students are said, if you have done your internship abroad physically, practically, then you will be provided the permanent registration, or rather the registration itself as it's mentioned here. So registration, or if you have not completed your internship outside the country in your college, maybe you have not completed it due to certain reasons like COVID or something, then you have to do your 1 year internship in India. तो सिंपल भाषा में अगर आपको बताया जाए, अगर आपने इस टाइम पे ग्रेजुएट हो चुके हो, FMG क्लियर कर लिया है और आपका एडमिशन 2021 से पहले हुआ था फॉरेन मेडिकल कंट्री में, फॉरेन कंट्री में मेडिकल प्रोग्राम के लिए, तो अगर आपने इंटर्नशिप फॉरेन कंट्री में करके आए हो और FMG क्लियर करा है तो आप रजिस्ट्रेशन के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हो, परमानेंट रजिस्ट्रेशन के लिए। बट अगर आपकी इंटर्नशिप ऑनलाइन हुई है या फिर आप इंटर्नशिप छोड़ के आए हो, कंप्लीट नहीं हुई है, तो आपको इंडिया में आके इंटर्नशिप फिर से करनी पड़ेगी 1 साल के आफ्टर क्लियरिंग द FMG एग्जामिनेशन। सो दैट्स इट फॉर द वीडियो। थैंक यू वेरी मच। हैव अ गुड डे।